If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. What would be your superpower if you had one?
Oh,
Superpower.
I was just teleportation.
Suben, you love like Marvel.
I want to have the mind reading.
Mind reading.
TXT, Jonas Brothers, do it like that official MV. Official MV. This is not the unofficial MV. This is the official. OFFICIAL. Not, I didn't look at it while spelling. It says roll 1, scene 1, take 1. TXT X. Also one take. That's cap. Maybe it was one take. I don't know. Anyways, let's go. Let's check it out. Do we need captions or is it all okay? Let's just go. You just gonna force Nick Jonas' face in my throat? Yeah. Is that what's happening right? He came in fast. Okay, he with the green pants. Probably okay. Y'all be dancing. Where? We flying? Wait, what? Making everyone just like you 17. What does that? Wait, what does that mean again? Everyone like a time machine, just like you 17. I don't know what that means. You got me feeling young. How we doing, like? Ooh. Okay, I mess with this. It got a little funky. Got that like old school like shit. What's that Adam Levine band called again, chat? Maroon 5. It got that early Maroon 5. Thank you. But Jonas Brothers always had funk too. Like especially the recent ones. This man's dangerous. This man's dangerous and he knows he's dangerous. You better dance! He grabbed that. Ooh, with the blonde? Can I confess something? I feel like every time I see Hinenkai, I can't not forget that magic trick. It always pops in my mind every time I see him now. I think that's a good thing. Hey. Okay, so that's not Subin. Hey. The little... Okay, harmony. I can't do that, but you know what I mean. I like that part. Oh my god. Like that? Right back. Very summer vibes though. Why does this feel like? Nah, this is better. This is better than a Disney single. I was thinking like this feels like a Disney like, you know how like they had Disney singles like music videos, but this feels way better than this actually. Even though I do like a good Disney like song. Interesting collab. Iconic collab, to be very honest. It's kind of crazy to see how K-pop has grown over this time. TXT has been experimenting with their features too. It's quite interesting. How you go from Ian Dior, Coileray, I think that's how you say her name, to Jonas Brothers. That's cool. I like the choices so far. I'm not gonna lie. I'm jealous of his beard. I'm jealous of your eyebrows. I feel like I have the same eyebrows as you, but it's just not as upkept, Joe. I feel like I do. Do I have Jonas eyebrows? No. It's a good pop song. It's a really solid pop song. It's good for the summer. Like if I heard this on the radio, I'd probably bump this. TXT look adorable. They look good. Were they actually? Is there some behind the scenes stuff actually for a collab? It's pretty good. I think it's pretty up there. I still think like the collabs with like when K-pop groups and Spanish artists work together, I think those make the best collabs. But this is pretty good. This is pretty good. I like it. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. NCT Dream Poison track video, 1:32. Damn, that's short as hell though. Without further ado, let's check out NCT Dream Poison. Oh hell no, that's some baby. Y'all can get the full frontal. Hold up, I'm not gonna say shit in this whole reaction video. Wow. To those who don't like me when I talk, congratulations, you got it. I'm not saying anything. But I'm just gonna let my eyes do the talking. Is that cool? I might say something. I'm gonna lie.
한순간 밀려본 눈빛 Wanna take a look inside you 수없이 밀려본 눈빛 Wanna take a look inside you 한순간 밀려본 눈빛 Wanna take a look inside you Wanna take a look inside you
To see my soul in my heart, right? To see my personality, right? Want to see like if I have cavities? Ooh. You know what? Flex on that shit. Oh my god. Ooh. The who hit the
꼭 머무를 때 기대봐 너더 속지 않으려 해도 굳게 다진 마음을 적신 poison 참은 숨을 파고든 넌 poison 투명한 그 발걸음이 천천히 휩쓸다 끝내 무너뜨려 나를 poison in my mind dreaming by you
what do you say?
poison in my mind dreaming by you dreaming by you 감싸 안아줄
You see Mark staring back like saying that?
dreaming by you dreaming
I know what type of eyes those are, Mark. I already know what type of eyes. Them eyes like, you want to do something? That's what type of look that was. We already know. Damn. Okay. I like Mark's scene too. It's like, oh hell nah. That's a good teaser. That's a good teaser for the third album. Is it just a full album? Run it back. Run it back. That voice right there. Ooh. Mark killed that. Mark killed that. That part right there. Who sang that so I could just like thank him personally, because that shit, if they kept on bringing that like that ish all the time, That would have killed me even more. SM know how to do R&B. I don't care. They know how to stack harmony. They know how to stack the mixing engineer in SM does magic. I feel it's giving our old school R&B a little bit. Yeah. They're just sitting in the sand, man-made sand. Fire. Freaking NCT Dream have been killing it for like the past years, and it's just good to see them on them grown-ish too. It's always good. But Dream, Poison, sexy R&B. Let's go. SM with R&B is like a match made in heaven sometimes. Most times. From chewing gum to Poison is kind of crazy, but we love a good character development. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.